everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making a classic British lunchbox treat, the flapjack. This chewy, sticky oat bar only has 4 ingredients and it comes together super quickly. So let's jump into the recipe. You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn your heat to medium-high, then into your pan add 250 grams or 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of salted butter. To this add 180 grams or 1 cup of light brown sugar and 180 grams or half a cup of golden syrup. If you can't find golden syrup, corn syrup will work in its place. You can usually find golden syrup in the international section of your supermarket if you don't live in the UK. Make sure to use a light brown sugar in this recipe. Any of the darker brown sugars will cause them to be too crunchy and they won't have that gooiness that we're looking for. You want this all to melt together, but be sure not to let it boil. I like to stir a few times through the melting process just to make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom. Once it's all completely melted and starting to come together, take it off the heat. Into a large bowl, add 500 grams or 3 1/4 cups of oats. You'll want to use a small rolled oat. Don't use any of the fancy jumbo ones. They won't work as well as they just don't absorb as much liquid. Usually, the cheaper the oats, the better they are for flapjacks. Now pour that sticky liquid mixture all over the top of the oats and stir to combine. You want to make sure all of those oats have been completely coated in your buttery mixture. I've greased and lined a 9 by 13 inch pan, about 20 by 30 centimeters. This is critical for this recipe because you will not be able to get those flapjacks out of the pan without lining it. Pour your sticky oat mix into your pan. Spread them evenly into the pan and then start to compress the oat mixture down. You want this to be really nice and firm before it goes in the oven. These are going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes until they get a little bit golden on the top. Let them cool completely and then cut into bars. I cut mine into 12 large pieces, but you can make them smaller if you'd like. If you're looking for another great bar cookie, check out my raspberry almond slices. And be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.